up, boys and girls? Empire Steve, back with you yet again. It's Monday. Market's about to open. Market is looking a little bit bearish right now. You see these fair value gaps here. I think we are going to sell. On Bookmap, you can see a lot of liquidity below price right now. Just so you all know, just want to remind you that tomorrow night is the end of the 80% off for Apex Trader funding. My link is below. You want to get started on that before it's gone. It's going to go back to 50, and then it could go, the 50 could even go away. They've been talking about that as well. So take notes. I'm going to go shorts.
Order filled.
See that fair value gap failing? Look at that. Oh boy. I don't like to trade when the market just opens up. I'm definitely going to trail my stop because who knows? There's a little bit of liquidity forming at 38.72. I'm going to leave that there. It's probably going to stop me out, but that's fine. I'm going to bring it lower.
Stop filled.
Just wanted to get my first dub. There you go. That was $600 profit right there. Quick and easy. I could have held it, but I didn't. I think SPY is going to go all the way down to 380 today. I could be wrong. I might play a tomorrow Mpire 380. I'm just going to grab one of them. I'm just going to have to buy the ask. There we go. I'm going to hold that one. We'll take a look at it later or tomorrow. Let's see what we do here. I expect we're going to go back up a little bit and then go back down. I'm going to take another stab short if we can get into this fair value gap again. Maybe I'll just go short one now.
Order filled.
And kind of hold it and add if I'm right. See, there's that liquidity we just took out. Definitely don't want to give back any profits, but as you can see, I'm green on this play as well. Bookmap still showing liquidity at 38.70. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There you go. This liquidity here, and there's liquidity all the way down here. So intriguing. Price is going to eventually go there. It's just a matter of when. It's going to fill those limit orders. So we're going back up now a little bit. But we shall see. I don't want to lose any of my money, so I'm going to probably take it back to even. It's going to be a little bit of back and forth. Market's still only been open for about 4 minutes. But you never know. I'm just going to wait and be patient. I'm down on this options play, but that's perfectly fine. I have until tomorrow to sell it. Look at that. Clean. Clean as clean can ever be. I'm almost up $1,000 on the day on just 2 plays. You can't beat that. I'm going to get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
That's fine. I'm up $800 on the day. I started at 153.5 and I am at 154. 2. Wait, maybe that's not 1,000. No, that's not 1,000. I'm an idiot. That is only 800. But I'm going to get back in. I'm just going to wait and be patient. Let's see what this happens with this candle here. Let's see if this candle turns into its own little fair value gap. It's looking like it might. SPY is looking a little selly still, but price could go back up, obviously, right? It's still early in the day. But you never know. I am looking into live streaming for all of you, so you can see everything in real time. You can learn what my whole thought process is, you know, what I'm looking for early in the day. But we are looking pretty bearish. I'm going to bring my other chart over here so you all can see it. Let's go to the daily. From the daily standpoint, we have a long way to go. We're going to likely test this 38.57 on ES and potentially push all the way down to, and it's not going to have, obviously it's not going to happen today. It could, but it's not going to. But we're going to test a lot of these lows eventually. But we will see. Nobody knows if it's going to happen today or not. We come back up in here. This candle hasn't closed yet. It doesn't close for like another 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. I would like to get one more play and call it a day. All right, this fair value gap is invalid. We are going to go up. Let's see, I'm down $11 on that one. That's okay. We don't have too much news today that is going to impact us. But we do have news on Thursday and Friday. I'm just going to wait for this candle to close, see what happens. Are we going to push up into this fair value gap again? We could push up all the way into this one, so I'm just going to be patient. You got to be patient. You got to be patient, guys. This could be the dip. Could get a V-shaped recovery. We're already in the morning. I'll show you guys and girls the 1 minute, see what it looks like. Look at that, complete. Pushing all the way up into this fair value gap again. I'm gonna take a stab at one short. Not yet, I'm gonna wait and see what actually happens. We have 45 seconds left in this candle.
Order filled.
Now, actually. See, my stop is just above these candles. Just one though. I could get stopped out. They could go for, the market makers could go for a stop hunt. I would like to get to 154.5 would be nice. That would be 1,000 on the day, and that is pretty good. You can't beat $1,000 a day. Well, you could, but there's nothing wrong with it. Almost to my target, but I still think we have some downward pressure. There's going to be some back and forth. It's going to get me. It's going to stop me out. That's okay. Money.
Stop filled.
Money. Almost there, not quite. Let's see if we go back in there again. I mean, it was still a win. It was only like $100 or so. Still waiting, being patient. I'm gonna maybe take one more trade. I'm just looking for a clear trade. I wish I would have held that one. I think I might take a stab at it, chase, because we have a long way to go. I'm looking at Bookmap. 38.70. I'm doing it.
Order filled.
I'm chasing it. But I'm going to keep my stop a little bit up here. This might have been a bad idea, but we'll see. I'm just looking at Bookmap and I can see that there's liquidity down at 38.70. That really wants to get touched. As soon as we start moving, I'm going to move my stop. I'm going to trail my stop immediately. That way I don't give it back. But we could go up and touch 38.78 before we really fall. This was risky, but we have a little bit of support right there. Come on. If it goes below this prior low, it's going to really go down far. It's just a matter of time. Wait, that's wrong. Don't stop me now. It's gonna come and get me. I do see liquidity. The liquidity's still there, but I don't see any liquidity forming above price that would help it sustain the downward pressure. I might cut it, because I'm not seeing that follow through. But you better believe as soon as I do cut it, it's gonna really flop. There you go. Needs to follow through. Needs to really push down there. Okay. Now I see a little bit of liquidity above price, but that could be a magnet. It needs to really flop here. It's gonna stop me out.
Stop filled.
All right, it got me there. I gave back some of my gains. That was a bad play anyway. I shouldn't have played that. It was too... I was chasing, which is not good to chase. But look, we're gonna really sell off now.
Order filled.
I went in again because it's gonna flop. But I'm gonna bring this up to 38.79. That's where I see liquidity. It's just a matter of time before it really flops. Here it comes. It's gonna go soon. Good old book map. There it goes. I should have just held it. Now we're gonna go. Now we are gonna flop. I've made all that back plus some. Now I'm up 1,000 on the day. If I were to close this out right here. Ba bum ba dum ba dum ba da dum bum bum boom. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Floppity flop. Let's see, is this green yet? How is this not green? Oh, good old Ivy crush. This is buggy. Push down. Don't stop me out. Don't be annoying. Go down. There's liquidity all the way down to 38.65. There you go. There's that rule. That's that push. I am up 1,000 on the day. This is definitely my last trade. I just wanted you all to see my thought process. See what brings me to the choices that I take. That one play a couple minutes ago where I chased was fine. There was nothing wrong with chasing there. I should have just held it, but I was a chicken. Now I'm up $1,500 on the day. That's if I were to stay right here. But let's see. I see we have some support, and I'll show you what I'm looking at now. There's Bookmap. We have a little bit of resistance at 38.71, and we have liquidity all the way down here. So I'm not going to hold that long because I'm a chicken, but I just wanted you all to see what I'm talking about. I'm going to bring this to this is my last play of the day. See that? It's only 20 minutes in. Should be green on this now. $6, $8. I did not sell. I lost a little bit of what I made on Friday, just a little bit of profit, but that's fine. I'm still up on that account. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Stop me out.
Stop filled.
Boom. Look at that. $1,500 profit on the day. I was at 153.5. Now I'm at 155. I'm going to end it there and see what happens tomorrow. Look, we sold at the best time. Look at that. Look how awesome this fair value gap was. See that? Fair value gap, it's small, but it doesn't matter. Price rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that is pretty good. That is it for me. Let's look at this. It's only up just a few bucks. Now it's down, but I still think we're going to go all the way down to 380. And I'll show you exactly why I think that right here. Let me bring this chart over. Here's why I think we're going to go see 380. So here's this pivot here. We failed it this morning. Look, we have this pivot here. This pivot is going to get touched. If not today, it'll be tomorrow. It could even go lower than that. So if you go to the 15-minute, we have all the way 378 is next. After that, it is Santa rally is over. So that is that. But anyway, I'm done for the day, boys and girls. And I just want to remind you that the Apex 80% off sale is going to expire tomorrow night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you jump on that because it's not going to be around long. On my account, I only need to make 4,000 more, but I have to trade another 4 days after today. I'm going to take it slow and just try and make $1,000 a day, and bink, we'll be there. We shall see. But that's it for me. I hope you all enjoyed the stream. If you have any, or not stream, but the recording. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Take care. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.